term. At OnePlus, we prefer to go for the long and healthy run by truly focusing on the product and on the end user. That's it. Nothing else. No bells and whistles. No app lag. No bloatware. No $2,000 price tag. No random music. No bezel. And no notch. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Here is the OnePlus 7 Pro. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the OnePlus 7 Pro. So moving on to performance. Was there any doubt? The OnePlus 7 Pro is built on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 mobile platform. Yeah. Woo! Has an octa-core Creo CPU processor running on a 7-nanometer chipset. So overall, it's 45% faster and consumes 20 less power. While the Adreno 640 GPU offers a 20% improvement in performance and 30 more in power efficiency. We are Qualcomm's biggest partner in Europe when it comes to their flagship 800 series. This allowed us to work very closely with them to deliver to our users with the fastest and most powerful flagship experience.
What does it take to be truly innovative? It all starts before you wake. Introducing the OnePlus 7 Pro. We set out to create a fully captivating experience with powerful Dolby Atmos sound from top to bottom and an immersive display that redefines the term bezel-less on mobile devices. Couple that with a 90 Hz refresh rate and you can scroll smoothly through your favorite apps. Or play the most intense mobile games available with no compromises. That's because we put more computing power into this device than ever before. Now you can move seamlessly between apps with software that anticipates your next move. Our adaptive brightness feature gives your eyes the least strenuous experience possible. No matter the shot or scene, the OnePlus 7 Pro is up to the task. That's because we've added 3 rear camera lenses to make sure you're capable of catching every moment. And of course, we didn't forget the selfie camera. Power through your day and night worry-free, because with Warp Charge, you're good to go in 20 minutes. That means your phone is ready before you are. And the camera capabilities don't diminish when the sun goes down. Thanks to our Nightscape feature, you'll be able to take gorgeous photographs no matter the time of day. That's the OnePlus 7 Pro, our most advanced phone ever.
OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. But we're not done yet. At OnePlus, we never stop pursuing the most advanced smartphone technology. Our mission has always been to share the best technology with the world and to allow more people to enjoy a fast and smooth experience. We're continually looking for ways to provide more people with more choice and we remain committed to providing premium products to our community. So today, we're excited to launch another device, the OnePlus 7.